Welcome to this technical guide on the MacBook Pro A2442. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your MacBook Pro A2442 won't turn on, you're not alone. This problem can stem from various issues such as a drained battery, faulty power connector, or even a malfunctioning logic board. If left unaddressed, it may lead to further damage or data loss, so it's crucial to act swiftly. To get started with the repair, you will need a set of precision screwdrivers, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery if necessary. First, ensure that your MacBook is powered off. Begin by gently inserting the plastic opening tool into the seam between the display and the bottom case. Carefully work your way around the device to release the clips without damaging the casing. Once the bottom case is off, locate the battery connector. This is usually situated near the center of the device. Disconnect the battery by gently lifting the connector out of its socket. Next, inspect the power connector for any signs of damage. If you notice any bent pins or corrosion, it may need to be replaced. To extract the power connector, remove the screws securing it in place, taking care to note their size and position. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the faulty component is out, install the new power connector by reversing the previous steps. Secure it with the appropriate screws, ensuring you do not over-tighten and risk damaging the board. Reconnect the battery by aligning the connector back into its socket firmly. Before closing up the device, it's wise to perform a quick check. Press the power button to see if the MacBook powers on. If it does, great! Carefully reattach the bottom case, ensuring all clips are securely fastened. If it doesn't, double-check your connections and components. To prevent this issue from arising again, ensure your MacBook is kept in a cool, dry environment, and regularly check for software updates that can assist with power management. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair, and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.